letter is this?
It's an E. It's an E.
Good job. What letter is this?
It's a B. It's a B.
That's right. Here, what letter is this?
It's a Y. It's a
Good job. What letter is this? Look, Austin.
It's a D, Daddy.
A D for Daddy.
And because it doesn't.
What letter is this?
It's a P.
Try again.
It's a P.
Try again.
It's a P.
We'll do that one later. What letter is this?
It's an R.
Good job. What letter is this?
It's a U.
It's a U. What letter is this?
It's an F.
What letter is this?
It's an Mommy.
An M for Mommy. What about this?
Mommy. It's Jason.
A J for Jason. What about this?
And because
Look.
it's an O.
It's an O. What is this?
It's a T.
It's a T. That's right. Let Mommy find some more letters.
Mama. Mama. Mommy.
Yes, Austin. Look, what is this?
It's a 5.
What is this? Look. What's that?
It's a 6. It's a 7.
It's a 6.
It's a 7. It's a 6.
What is this?
It's a 7. It's a
What is this?
It's a 2. It's
2.
Mommy.
What is this?
It's a G.
It's a G. What about this?
It says Daddy go back.
What is this?
Daddy go back.
Yeah.
Daddy go back.
You want Daddy to come back home? What is this? What letter?
It's my picture.
You drew a picture? Let me see. Oh, that is nice.
Mama.
What is this? What letter is this?
Oh, make colors. Make colors.
You want Mommy to draw the letters? Or here, what? Do you know what this letter is?
No, it's V.
Here. We'll draw them and then you tell me what they are.
It's V.
Okay, what is... Oh, let's see. Here, let's turn the paper over.
It's S. S.
Okay, and what about...
It's a C.
It's a C. What is that?
It's an E. It's an E.
Do you know what this is?
It's a 7.
You drew a 7? What letter is that?
It's a U.
An H?
It's an H. It's a 4. It's a 4. It's 4.
What number is this? Look.
It's a 4. It's a 4.
You're so smart. How did you get so smart?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Do you know what this is?
Oh, it's a 10.
Look. Look at it.
It's a 1.
It's a 1.
Oh, it's an S.
You want me to draw an S? Oh, just a sec. Oh, look. What is this?
It's an A.
It's an A.
It's an A, Mama. It's
That's
an A.
right. You're so smart.
Mama.
What is this?
It's an S.
On your paper, what is that?
It's a 3.
It's a 3.
It's a 4. Oh, it's a 4. No, it's a 4.
Do you know what this is?
Uh-oh.
What is this?
Uh-oh.
What letter?
Uh-oh.
You're silly.
Mama.
What letter is this?
It's an S.
You want Mommy to draw an S?
S.
What What is this?
It's a bee. It's a bee.
It's a bee. What about... What is that?
It's you.
It's a U. What about this?
It's a Y.
It's a Y. Let's see, what other ones did we miss?
Uh-oh.
Oh, do you remember what this one is?
It's a K.
It's a